Hello, garden tube. Today I'm going to cut back some of this Ming Fern, which is this one right here, so that way I can get back to my peach tree back there, which I kind of want to move, but I already planted it, so I don't know. And the creeping figs are already all pretty on those, so I don't really want to move it, but maybe I can move it closer. And then those are my famous maples. Where I can't see them. Right there. I thought that one was dead, but I've somehow brought it back to life. It has some green leaves on it. But I'll do a video about that later. But yeah, I need to get into this hot mess. I don't know if you can see that wasp nest with the wasp in it. My camera holder's right in the way, but yeah, that's gonna be a problem. I hope I don't forget it's there, because he will sting me. So fun. Anyway, I don't know if you can even really see this peach tree here. I don't think I can get to that stuff. I'm scared of that wasp. So, I think I'm done here for now, till I take care of that wasp. Okay, thanks for watching. I don't know if anybody knows a safe way to kill that nest without hurting my plants. I don't know if that wasp spray will hurt my plants or not. I've never had one in my plants. Anyway, see you in the next video.